Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 19th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full countdown analysis. So on the pound yen monthly, I definitely am looking at this as the end of a wave 3. If that really is the end of a wave 3, then we are very likely in a corrective wave 4, which is very likely to make some sort of a pattern like this, probably some sort of a 3-wave ABC correction, probably taking it down to at least a 178.5 area to make a wave 4 before it probably goes back up again to make another attempt on the uptrend for a wave 5. But you have to keep in mind this is the monthly time frame, and that's probably going to take 8 months to a year to play out. Going down to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, I still think this whole move down is likely a wave A, and I'm still not really convinced the wave A is over. I think there's a pretty good chance it's going to make another attempt down to complete this wave A of wave 4. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, like I've been saying for a while now, the last structure level is way up here, which means that the trend is technically still down on the daily. I still think that we have a 1-2 up here someplace, and this is probably likely a wave 3, a wave 4. I think there's a pretty good chance that eventually it is going to make lower lows, lower highs for a wave 5, and this is still a wave A of wave 4 on the weekly and monthly time frames. So taking it all the way down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on here because there's really not a whole lot of proof that we are going down yet. And if it does make a Fibonacci bounce with a very engulfing move to the upside, then you should probably think about getting out of your shorts and maybe even reversing your position and going long. But if this really is the end of a correction, which hopefully it is, then most likely it will make lower lows, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, and just keep on trending down. Which, like I always say, this is great news for trend traders like us because at the end of these pullbacks is where we should be looking to get short for the continuation of the downtrend. So as long as it doesn't go up and break this high right here, I'm only looking for shorts on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on here. Just like this move up here, 1, 2, 3 waves up, impulsive engulfing down is exactly what I'm looking for entries to go short. So as long as it doesn't go all the way up here and break that high right there, I am definitely patiently waiting for a short. I'm waiting for impulsive up wave A. I'm waiting for corrective down wave B. I'm waiting for impulsive up wave C. I'm looking for a nice Fibonacci bounce, which I think the 50 to 61% would probably be the most likely areas. So I'm looking for 3 waves up. I'm looking for a Fibonacci bounce. I'm looking for a golfing down. A break of structure would give it extra probability points. And that is definitely going to be the next entry I take to go short for the continuation of this downtrend. And like I said, as long as it doesn't take out these highs up here, I'm only looking to go short, and I'm only going to go short on pullbacks because I'm not a short time frame trader. If you are a short time frame trader, then possibly you could get a couple longs out of it, but definitely not what I'm doing or what I'm going to be doing. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.